Attention realtors. Are you tired of homes sitting on the market for what feels like an eternity? Imagine walking into a listing where every corner shines, the floors gleam, and the space feels irresistibly inviting. This is where TidyTex Home Cleaning steps in. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in making homes sparkle just in time for open houses and buyer visits. Our reliable professional team understands the pressure of preparing a home for sale. That's why we offer flexible, quick turnarounds, ensuring your listings look their absolute best in no time. A clean, bright home can mean the difference between a quick sale and a lengthy wait. Plus, here's a tidy tip. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights to brighten up the space. This simple trick creates an inviting atmosphere that makes potential buyers feel right at home. With TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service, you're gaining a dedicated partner committed to helping you close deals faster and more efficiently. Check the video description for our website, phone number, and email to get started today. Let's make those listings shine and watch those offers roll in.